Getting in touch with Mule-Hide Products is easy thanks to Mule-Hide.com. At the top of every page in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice our 800 number. The next method would be utilizing the Find a Rep section of our website. Simply click the link to go to the Find a Representative page. There you can type in the address, city, state, or postal code to find the location that you're looking for. Once you filter locations, you'll find a map showing all the nearby locations, as well as the corresponding Mule-Hide rep. The other method is the Contact Us link. From there, you can fill out a brief form and the type of request. Submitting the form will get a response to you back within 1 business day. It's as simple as that to reach Mule-Hide Products thanks to Mule-Hide.com. Thanks for watching.